The next step, after having the plate and the flywheel on, I'll be installing a new clutch and pressure plate adapter. You can see right here the torque values, and that is 22 to 30 foot-pounds. Right, now we're working on the clutch. This is the clutch kit that I got with this vehicle. There's a number 1107128 clutch kit. It's Napa. It's a Napa. Comes with a pilot bearing, which we're not going to use, a guide, which we will use, and some lubrication that we will most likely use. The box comes like this. Let me slow down. And it's the clutch, and here's the clutch assembly. And you see back here the flywheel, and that's the orientation. Now let's look at the old one. The old one has low use on it, and I'm sorry, I'm not going to try and bring around I'm not going to try and bring it around to the light, but what I'm trying to show you is there's little wear. This is oriented down, so the part that is lowest, the spring lowest on the part that goes towards the engine, and this is the engine. Flywheel. Okay, let's see. I got all the bolts in. I'm just tightening them till they're finger tight and I feel pressure. If you go back and look, you'll see that I pulled the clutch forward this way so it would be able to move its way back. Now I'm just going to wiggle it a little as I come in here and tighten this down. Already tight. No. That's a 6. Right here is another one. Okay. And now, just going to slowly tighten some of these. This is my brother's. I stole it from him. Very small snap-on wrench. Let me get this one here. Okay. No matter what I do, it's going to be a fight trying to get this transmission in anyway. I have learned something though. Number one, before you pull the engine, the transmission and transfer case comes out. Nothing's going to be easy, nothing's going to be fun. That's actually kind of enjoyable, but at least these bolts seem to be symmetrical, unlike the crankshaft. I can still move that so it comes out. I got this set for 27 foot-pounds. Trying to get them about the same. You can see it, I don't know if you can, I can, it slowly clamping down onto the flywheel. That one's feeling good and tightish. Let me get this one here. There's one. There's two. Three. Four. I hope I'm doing this okay. Five. Okay. All right. That should be in. One thing to notice is I pull this out just to take a look. That's actually on a swivel. So that's much more fancier than the one I had before. But they're all tightened down. Here we go. There you go. Clutches in. So that is that. And just remember, when I do a video replacing this flywheel in the future, well, Ben will be doing it because at the rate my back is going, I won't be. You know, last time I worked on this, I was in Mongolia. And we were surrounded, and they made it a challenge. Could I put the transmission and engine in Mongolia? And I said yes, but I didn't have pneumatic tools back then. And then I went to an archery class, a competition rather, and you know what? There's some person that beat me. He wasn't a Mongolian archer, all the others were, but I finished third place. That's as good as I can do. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. It's just, it's been a struggle, but that's okay. That's the way it works. I'll go around the engine tomorrow and show you everything, and where I'm at, plus my fancy, right there, if you can see it right there, that's my fancy engine crate. All right. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up wouldn't hurt. Bye-bye.